Welcome back to this video. If you use Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to solve the problem or how to switch your Alipay fashion from Chinese to non-Chinese or from non-Chinese to a Chinese version of Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Alipay app. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to your icon right here, your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon from the top. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on switch fashion. So right here, you have two versions of Alipay right here. You can either switch from international to standard, which is Alipay tradition. Once you switch to Alipay tradition, click on save. Then when you click on save, everything in your Alipay app is going to switch into international into Chinese standard fashion. So that is it. If you want to switch back to non-Chinese mainland user, simply click on here and make sure you hit on save. And once you hit on save, everything you have in your Alipay information is going to change into non-Chinese mainland user. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.